Hello and happy Monday. Decided I didn't feel like making a pot of coffee today, so I'm gonna go get some coffee. Got a little outfit on. This will not have a reel, so maybe I'll show you this when we get back. And it's such a lovely morning. I've got this long sleeve shirt on over my dress, but honestly, it's already pretty warm. I'll probably be able to take this off very soon. It's just so lovely. Me and Fran around on the deck. She's just exploring stuff. I was checking my emails. I'm gonna enjoy my coffee. I picked this up at the coffee shop. Looks like there was lots of things to do around town in the first few weeks of May listed in here, so I thought I'd look through that because it seems interesting. This bird is loud AF. What are you doing, little baby cat? Ooh, we're not gonna look at my toes. They need repainting. Hi. Hi, sweetness. Per usual, when we returned from a trip, she was all over me this morning, walking on top of me. So that was great. I watched Real Housewives of Atlanta last night. It was the start of the new season, so that was really good. It looks like it's going to be very dramatic and interesting. I also watched Summer House Martha's Vineyard, and that also looks like it's going to be really good. The personalities I already really like together, so that's what I got up to last night. Sniffing around for bugs. We have these little black and red bugs that like to stay on the part of our house that gets the most sun, because I guess they like the heat. So she likes to find them and like jump after them. It's really cute. But yeah, I've checked my emails. I sent a few emails out to get some stuff going for work. I'm just having a lovely Monday morning. This is the weather I want it to be all the time, so I can have a lovely day every day. So ignoring the mess and the fact that we need to hang this mirror, I just put together the two end tables. They kind of perfectly match this color in the rug, and I like it. I also like that there's extra storage here, so when Austin's mom and grandma do stay, they can place their bags they keep their daily medicines in on there without having to figure out which suitcase they packed it in. I think that'll be really helpful. I love it. I think they look great. I'm pretty happy. I just need to make sure I've got them evenly placed, and then we're good to go. Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
Here's somebody. Here. Hey. Hi, Adrian.
Hello and happy Thursday. We went out for a morning walk today because, well, to be blunt, morbid curiosity, because there was a fire last night. But luckily, no one is hurt. I think one person went to the hospital, but apparently they're not really hurt that bad. And everyone's out and safe. It's just a lot of homes are damaged, which is really, really sad. We took that as a chance to go to Harmony. We got some stuff for breakfast. I picked up a lunch, which I'm pretty happy about. And now we're just heading home. I'm having my scone with my iced coffee, and Austin has already murdered his muffin. Hello and happy Friday. It's Friday morning. Just brought my coffee outside, and I noticed we've got evidence of a rascal being out here. Squirrel left behind ample evidence. I don't know if you could tell, but they keep digging in my freaking gardens. They are basically gonna kill my basil. It's really annoying. Digging. Ugh, little stinkers. Look at this majestic beast. Just look at her. She's so cute. Yeah, I'm talking about you. I'm all changed to head out. We're gonna pop and grab a card from the Walgreens. We have to walk past anyway because my cousin's graduating tomorrow. And then we're gonna attempt to head to the beer garden. It might be a little crowded. We'll have to see if it works out. don't remember if I showed the new mirror, but I love it.
Still gonna clean that.
Love it.
I got this pretzel with vegan pimento cheese. First of all, of course. My mom's gonna.
Hello and happy Saturday. I'm so tired. We're both tired. Austin was hot all night. I can do with the heat. But my brain would not shut off all night. The brain was just running and running and running. And for some reason, the first thing I feel compelled to do this morning is cut up this jacket I bought. So I wanted to give you guys a good look at it. It's giving me like Bon Jovi vibes for some reason. 80s Bon Jovi. But I'm gonna cut it right under the pocket and see if that's a good crop. I've buttoned it up so that it's all like even in length. And Fran is eating the tag that was on it, so let me take that from her. You're such a good assistant, Francesca. You're such a good assistant. And I'm just gonna go at it. Okay, so here is the final look. I'm pretty happy with it. Got a little wonky over here. The gut was a little uneven, but I'm not even mad about it. You don't even see it. I don't care. I flipped the cups up because they're just a little long. This wasn't extra large. I think I might like try and file the edge a little and make it a little more rustic, but otherwise I'm really happy with this. It turned out perfect. It's the perfect length, exactly what I was looking for. It is an extra large, so it's a little roomy. So I could wear it like a sweater under here if I wanted. I love it. It's perfect. So unlike the Hershey hoodie, I actually probably could wear this as a micro mini if I lost like 10 pounds. I feel like there's something cool I could do with this. I gotta figure out something because I really like the look of the material and I don't want to just get rid of this. I think this looks really cool. We went to the farmer's market and we also stopped in Harmony. Austin has already eaten his donut and muffin, but I got this margarita cheesecake for later to have like as a dessert later. I'm gonna put that in the fridge. Oh, our fridge really needs a reorganizing, but I'm not doing that right now. Okay. And we got a beautiful sourdough loaf. Looks lovely. We got 2 different kinds of mushrooms. These were black pearl or black oyster or something. Which are really meaty looking. Look like they'll be really yummy. I don't even remember the name of these ones. Pepper peony or something? Baby, do you remember the name of these mushrooms? No. It was like pepperorini, poppy, or something like that. But they look good. And it said, good on top of pasta. And y'all know I'm a pastatarian, so had to get those. 2 vegan brownies. I don't particularly like the vegan brownies, but Austin loves them. Some spicy tomatillo salsa and some radishes. We got some Brussels sprouts we're gonna have with that meaty mushroom one day this week. Got some bok choy. I just haven't had bok choy in forever. And some kale. And that's everything we got at the farmer's market. So I'm gonna put this stuff away and then relax for a little bit. We've had a bit of a lazy day, so I've not checked in much, but I'm doing this Mud Masky serum infused eye mask, and I was shocked at how thin it is. It's got like little coffee bits in it, I think, but it's like you can hear it, it's so thin. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Obviously, this is my first time using this, so I don't really have anything to report back, but I was just kind of weirded out by how thin it is. It's not like creamy how I was expecting it to be for like a mask. I don't know. Just wanted to tell you guys that. Hello and happy Sunday. We got bagels at Common Ground this morning. We're having some coffee. It's the most beautiful morning. We already stopped by to see my mom. I didn't really give her anything but a card because she already requested that I take her to lunch when her summer Fridays start. So that is what she's getting for Mother's Day from me. But it's so nice out today. We're out and about walking around again, and we got ice cream. And we found a Suzanne and Shane. And now we're going to a maker's market. Because why not?
Very exciting.
Wait, what'd you get?
I bought a thing.
Oh, that's adorable. Is that metallic?
Yeah, it's gold.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah. And then some prints.
I have to share this. I really love this. But my rule is I can't buy art for parts of the house until they're painted. So I've only got one floor to work with right now. But I want that.
I'll be here. I'll have it. Yeah.
Thanks. I've got little baby tomatoes growing in. I'm so happy.